What's up, you guys? Today is December 9th, 2018. I was actually on my way home from church when I decided to take a turn, and I landed here, and I wanted to show you guys real quick. So this is the actual park that I would train my friends and some clients about 3.5 years ago, along with my sisters. It's crazy because I've never really came here to kind of like reflect on the fact that I've come so far, like from a parking lot to a gym, and from a gym to owning my own business, and all that stuff. So it's pretty cool. But the main reason, guys, for this video is basically a Q&A. I want to answer a couple of your questions, and hopefully I can help you guys out. So let's get this ball rolling. All right, so first question is, how many siblings do you have? So I actually have 4 older sisters. I'm the only boy, and I'm the youngest. And by definition, to my sisters, when I was a kid, I was the annoying brother. So yeah. What made you want to franchise your business? Honestly, like my vision, my dream is to take Invincible Fitness throughout the world. And I know for sure that I do not want to do it alone. If I had the choice to do it alone or do it with the team, I would choose with the team. So that's the reason why I want to franchise, is for like-minded people as myself to lock arms with me and to put a location within their communities to help out those people and eventually take Invincible Fitness town by town, city by city, state by state, and then eventually nation by nation. Next question is, what kind of car do you drive? So I actually drive a 2016 Ford Mustang GT that I bought when I was 19. All right, so next question is, do you recommend for me to get a loan or raise money on my own and then start my business? Honestly, I would prefer if you work about 2, 3, maybe 4 years, like in the workplace, save up a good amount of money and start your own business with your money. The reason why I say that is because when you start a business, like, you have all this different pressure because now you're going to try to pay your bills, and now you're going to try to do this. And it's really hard to start a business the right way when it's funded by somebody else, and especially when you owe them money. So I would honestly, in my opinion, suggest for you just to save up enough money and start your own business with your own money, and just work your ass off. Next question is how do you stay so motivated and optimistic? I do. I mean, guys, don't get me wrong. Sometimes I stress out, and I stress out pretty bad. Sometimes when I'm stressing out, I just can't be around anybody. I have to be by myself, my own thoughts. But now with experience, I do know that stress, it's inevitable. It's gonna happen. It's just about how you deal with it. Not how it deals with you. Because remember, you're always in control of your emotions and of your outcomes. So, try to control that. One thing I always tell myself is control the controllables and leave everything else to God. And I just try to stay positive about everything that I do. Next question is, where are you from? I am born and raised in Houston, Texas. Next question is, what year did you graduate high school? I graduated 2015. Oh, and what rank were you? Yeah, I was not top 10 at all. I out of 900 in my class, I think I graduated 370 something, or close to 400. I can't remember. Fun fact, to this day, December 9th, 2018, I have not gotten my diploma. I graduated high school. I walked on stage. I completed everything, but I have not officially received my diploma. I didn't go pick it up. The reason why is because I want to prove to people that you don't need a piece of paper to dictate how successful or how unsuccessful you can be in your life. And so I wanted to show people that I made it this far, or I've come this far without a diploma. So, plus, nobody's even asked me for a diploma, at all. Nobody has asked me, hey, did you graduate high school? like not one person. Next question is, what do you do for fun? What do I do for fun? I like to stay home. I like to relax. I like to go out. I like to go to the movies, go bowling, go-karting, spend time with my girl, you know, stuff like that. Work out. Yeah. And the final question is, so what now? Well, for starters, you know, we are getting ready to start franchising starting in January of this upcoming year. So January 2019 is when we start franchising. We are implementing a brand new business strategy for the gym. So I'm super thrilled. I'm super excited for it too. Just a lot of stuff that I'm super excited for this upcoming year. It's definitely going to be a year with a lot of growth and a lot of learning. So guys, my message to you is to always keep learning, keep growing. Never stop learning, never stop growing. Believe in yourself, trust yourself. Those dreams, those goals, those visions that you have in your mind, like they were given to you. Use them. Use the gift, because everybody has one. I truly believe that everybody has a gift, but it's your responsibility to learn what your gift is. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment if you have any other questions that you want me to answer for you, and subscribe. I would truly appreciate it. I'll catch you guys in the next one.